take a deep breath, close your eyes, and let your soul absorb every word. Today, I choose peace. I welcome calm into my heart. My mind is clear. My emotions are balanced. I am safe. I am grounded. I am loved. Every breath I take fills me with clarity. Every thought I choose today brings me closer to peace. I am not my thoughts. I am the calm observer. My past does not control me. I release what I cannot change. I forgive myself. I forgive others because I deserve emotional freedom. I let go of what drains me. I hold on to what lifts my soul. Today, I honor my feelings. I sit with my emotions without judgment. It's okay to cry. It's okay to pause. I allow healing to flow through me. I am emotionally resilient. I rise above anxiety. I rise above pain. I am stronger than my struggles. I am calmer than the chaos around me. I speak gently to myself. I am not broken. I am becoming. My spirit is healing. My heart is whole. I let go of stress. I embrace ease. My thoughts are rooted in hope. My spirit is aligned with peace. My emotions are filled with light. I feel a soft wave of tranquility wash over me now. My mind is a sacred space. Only peace lives here. Only love lives here. Only healing thoughts are welcome. I trust in divine timing. Everything I need is already within me. I am not alone. I am guided. I am supported. The universe is always working in my favor. Right now, in this moment, I let go of control. I surrender to peace. I trust what is meant for me will always find me. I am healing moment by moment. I am patient with my growth. I am kind to my mind. I release the need to rush my journey. Even in silence, I am healing. Even in stillness, I am loved. Even when I don't feel okay, I am enough. My nervous system is calm. My thoughts are kind. My emotions are balanced. My soul feels lighter already. I release fear. I release guilt. I release shame. I release self-doubt. I invite faith, forgiveness, and freedom. I welcome love, light, and letting go. I know I am growing every single day. I am proud of how far I've come, and I am open to all the blessings ahead. Peace is not outside of me. It lives within me. I choose to see the good. I choose to believe in better. I choose to stay soft. Even when the world feels hard, I choose healing over hurting. I choose faith over fear. I choose love always. Each breath I take draws in calm. Each moment of stillness heals me deeper. Right now, I am whole. Right now, I am safe. Right now, I am healing. I am grateful for this moment. Grateful for this body. Grateful for this breath. Grateful for this chance to begin again. As this prayer comes to a close, may I carry this peace into my day. May I treat myself with softness. May I remember, I am the light in the darkness. I am worthy of rest. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of peace. I am worthy of mental and emotional well-being. And so it is. Amin. Have a great day ahead. Success is waiting for you. Go grab it.